20. Have you ever asked a chatbot to book a hotel or answer a tough question and it just gets it right? That's not magic. It's the power of advanced AI agents and special rules called Model Context Protocols, or MCP. LLM stands for Large Language Model, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. LLM agents are like super smart virtual assistants. They don't just chat, they can use apps, fetch info, and complete real tasks for you. But here's the challenge. Every app or service, like your email, calendar, or a hotel booking site, speaks its own language. How does an AI agent talk to all these different systems without confusion? Enter Model Context Protocol, MCP for short. MCP is a set of rules and guidelines that helps AI agents understand the context of a conversation or task. It tells the agent what's happening, who's involved, what's allowed, and what information is needed. Let's see MCP in action. Imagine you ask an AI to book a hotel. First, MCP helps the agent collect important details: your name, dates, preferences, and payment method. Next, MCP tells the agent what actions are possible, like checking room availability or making a reservation. Throughout the process, MCP makes sure the agent stays on track and uses only the right info at each step. Because of MCP, LLM agents can safely connect to different services, follow the right rules, and avoid mistakes. That means more reliable, secure, and helpful AI assistance for work, school, or home. Today, you'll find MCP-powered LLM agents in customer support, hotel bookings, healthcare, banking, and more. Whenever you see an AI doing complex tasks for you, there's usually a smart protocol like MCP working behind the scenes. So next time you use an AI assistant, remember, Model Context Protocol is what helps your agent act smart, safe, and fast. Want more easy AI explainers? Like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.